Hi guys, it's Jerlene from Sephora Hollywood and Highland, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated skincare routine for dry skin. If you want to see the new products that I'm using, keep on watching. First, I'll be starting off with removing my lashes. Make sure you're gentle and just remove those nice and gently. Then I'll be going in with my Tatcha Pure One Step Oil Cleanser. I love using this cleanser as a first step to removing makeup because it's gentle. It removes majority of my makeup without stripping my extra dry skin. I first apply this product on my eye area since it has the most amount of makeup to remove. So I work it all over the rest of my face in circular motions, kind of like giving yourself a mini massage to really get and lift the product off my face. So then I grab a little bit of water to emulsify the product and kind of further break down the makeup. Once I do that, I go ahead and grab a wet towel to remove any excess product off my face. And as you can see how effective that product is, it really removes a lot of the makeup. So next, I'm going in with my Youth to the People, my second step to my double cleanse. This is the Youth to the People Superfood Antioxidants Cleanser. So like the name says, it's packed with tons of antioxidants and it's great at removing any remaining makeup you may have left over. So since this is a gel-based cleanser, I like to add a little bit of water so it can lather up a little bit more. So again, with a wet towel, I'm going to go ahead and remove the rest of the product off my face, gently just rubbing over my eyes and all over the rest of my face. So before I move on to my next step, I'm going to go ahead and pat my face with a dry towel. So next, I'll be going in with the Youth to the People Superfood Skin Reset Antioxidants Mask. So I'll be applying this mask with my Sephora Collection brush number 47. And this is probably my favorite step in my nighttime routine because it's very relaxing, the mask smells amazing, and I have some me time to myself for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I like to apply this mask with a brush because it gives me a nice even layer. So I'm going to apply the mask all over my face, just avoiding my eye area. And like I said earlier, you're going to want to leave this mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So chill out, relax, listen to some music, take selfies, have fun. So you know it's time to remove the mask when it feels dry on your face and it feels kind of tight. So when removing this mask, I like to take a damp, warm towel to kind of loosen up the mask before I remove it. So I love using this mask. As you can see, my skin looks amazing. I get some me time and my skin looks refreshed. So going in with the OLEHENRIKSEN Truth Serum, I have really dry skin. This serum is packed with vitamin C, collagen. It's great for brightening and all-day hydration is exactly what I need. And you guys, I'm pretty big on scents. This smells amazing and it has a great citrus smell. Not too overpowering. All right, so we're almost to the end of my routine. I'm going in with my Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Moisturizer. Since, again, I do have dry skin, I like to use a very hydrating and rich moisturizer. This one's very creamy. When I wake up, it makes me feel very soft and moisturized. So as you guys can see, I am rubbing this moisturizer in an upward motion to defy gravity and patting it into my skin to make sure I get the most moisture I can get. So the next step is my eye cream. I am using the Drunk Elephant C-Tango Vitamin C Eye Cream. This is great, lightweight. If you notice, I am putting it on my ring finger because it applies the least amount of pressure underneath the eye. That area is very sensitive on your face, so you just want to make sure you're very gentle. You can apply this eye cream 360 around your eyes. I like to take the leftover product on my finger and bring it down to my smile lines. So last but not least, I like to end my nighttime routine with the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. This mask is very hydrating. It's a clean product at Sephora, and it just makes my lips feel very succulent. When I wake up in the morning, they are very soft. All right, guys, that was it. My updated nighttime skincare routine for dry skin. Let me know what you like down below to keep your skin hydrated. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.